this company is in a bullish movement right now because we are having higher highs right around here, as you guys can see, and our lows are also getting higher around here, around here. We are having higher highs and higher lows. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be covering Tonix stock. So Tonix is with the ticker symbol T1XP, is basically a penny stock with a market cap of around 617 million US dollars, and this is basically a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company founded in 2007, and it's domiciled in New Jersey in the United States, guys. So today, guys, we'll be looking at Tonix future catalyst. We'll be looking at their past stock performance, and we'll be looking at their financials, their balance sheets, and after that, guys, we'll be doing a stock price prediction on where I see Tonix going into the future. So if you want to see a lot more technical analysis on penny stocks, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, because on this channel, guys, we do nothing else but technical analysis. I'm looking at big growth stocks such as Neo, Palantir, Atossa, Zomedica, which is doing really good lately, and also a lot more penny stock, guys. So if you want to see a lot more stock price predictions and technical analysis, make sure to subscribe to my channel and you won't be disappointed, guys. So let's jump right into Tonix right now, guys. Okay, guys, so looking at Tonix on a quick view, the stock actually did really well. They are up over 133% in the past month alone, and in the last 3 months, Tonix is up 236%, guys. That's amazing for a penny stock with such a small market cap. So looking at the current situation, guys, Tonix has $55 million US cash on hand, and this was before the capital raise. So they did a stock offering on Monday this week, which raised their capital all the way up to $125 million US dollars. And they have a lot of cash, guys, right now on hand, $125 million US dollars. That's really good because this will help the company to further develop their treatments and drugs and cures for their program, guys. Okay, guys, so looking at the future catalyst for Tonix, they are currently having a few drug trials, and one of them is a fibromyalgia drug in phase 3 trials, and they actually had really great results for the fibromyalgia drug test. So, and right now, the fibromyalgia treatment market will surpass $3 billion US dollars at the end of 2030, guys. So this stock could be a long play, guys, in my opinion. And there are less than 3 drugs available to treat fibromyalgia approved by the FDA, guys. That's huge for this company. If they manage to get a treatment for this company, this stock could blow up all the way to the moon, guys. And they have a lot more drugs that they are testing right now. One of them is the T1X 1500. This is basically used for the prevention and treatment of organ rejection. So also they're working together with Mass General Hospital on this project. So I will be linking the articles in the comment section down below, and you can read them yourselves and take a look at it. So the other drug that Tonix is also working on is the T1X 102, which is used to treat Alzheimer's, guys. That's amazing, guys. Like, Alzheimer's is such a rare disease. To this date, we have no definitive treatment or a cure for Alzheimer's, and right now there are no FDA approved treatments for agitation in Alzheimer's. So the Tonix is really working on this drug, and they're also approved by the FDA for a fast track development program for Alzheimer's, guys. So looking at this company, guys, there are a lot of catalysts, in my opinion, why this stock could go up a lot more in the short and in the long term. So if you want to see a lot more updates on Tonix, make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, because right now we will be covering Tonix. I'll be jumping into their balance sheets, and after that the price prediction to look at the stock performance in the future, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hey guys, so here we are at Tonix Pharmaceuticals balance sheet. So looking at the financials, guys, of Tonix Pharmaceuticals. You can see right now at their income statement, looking at their incomes, right now they don't have any income, guys, because they don't have a product that is going into the market. So once the Tonix is being able to sell their products, including the vaccine, this company could be going higher up, making revenue, because right now you can see that the revenue is zero basically. They are basically losing money, negative cash flow, all that stuff, which is normal for a penny stock, guys, keep that in mind. But when I take a look at their balance sheets, you can see that this company is building their assets pretty good. I mean, when I look at 2017, they had over 26 million in assets, and they have been increasing that all the way to 67 million in Q3 2020, which is a good thing. And also their liabilities are not that high, guys. Their liabilities have increased somewhat, but looking compared to their assets, the liabilities ratio is really good for this company. And I can also see that by their equity, their total equity has been increasing from 24 million in 2017 all the way up to 62 million in Q3 2020. And also their cash on hand has been increasing, guys. Like I mentioned, 25 million in 2017 all the way up to the 55 million cash on hand in 2020. But this is not everything, guys, because they did a stock offering on Monday this week, which increased their cash on hand all the way up to 125 million US dollars, which is huge, guys. So they have a lot of cash right now to further develop their drugs and get more market share. So also looking at the cash flow, guys, like I mentioned, their negative cash flow has been increasing, unfortunately, but that is totally understandable because they aren't selling anything right now, so their cash flow is going to keep rising up. So keep that in mind, guys. Do your own due diligence on this penny stock, and you can see that this company might break out. If it does, it could be very huge, because Alzheimer's treatment for Alzheimer's could be very, very profitable for this company, of course, but that is a big if they manage to do that, yes or no, only time will tell. So this was the balance sheet of Tonix, guys. So after this, guys, we will jump right into the stock price prediction for Tonix. Alrighty, guys, here we are at the candlestick chart of Tonix Pharmaceuticals. So right now, today, they are trading at $1.85, like as you guys can see right now. They are down 8% today. They are having a consolidation, as you guys can see right now. This company is having a consolidation. They had an all-time high of around $1, $2.13 right around here. But right now we are having a pullback closer to the $1.80 range. And we can see that they are having a consolidation because they were close to overbought on the RSI. So the stock had to cool down a little bit, and it's doing that right now, because you can see in the previous movements, like I mentioned here, the RSI was also overbought right around here. So they had a consolidation from $1.58 all the way down to $1.25. So, but looking at the grand scheme of things, guys, this company is in a bullish movement right now, because we are having higher highs right around here, as you guys can see, and our lows are also getting higher around here. We are having higher highs and higher lows, which basically indicates that this company is on a bullish upwards movement. They could be breaking new all-time highs if they continue to follow our trend line. Like I mentioned here, the white lines right here is the trend line, and it's following the trend line really beautifully. So our resistance is $2.45 right now. If we go back and zoom out, you can see this is the current resistance that Tonix is basically battling. So when they can break this resistance of $2.45, we could be seeing new all-time highs for this company. Our support is sitting at 80 cents right now, which is really solid looking at the grand scheme of things. But the support could also be going up once we get closer to the earnings, which will be on March the 9th. So their earnings could be a good catalyst going forward, guys. And this stock could be going all the way up to the $2 and even the $3 after the earnings. So that was my stock price prediction for Tonix, guys. I believe that Tonix is in a bullish movement, but if I were you, I would be waiting a little bit because right now it's kind of expensive. If it would go down to the $1.60, that would be a better buy in my opinion, because this stock is really hot right now. There's a lot of volume. You can see around here the volume is really high on this stock, and it needs some consolidation in my opinion to further develop the bullish movement. So if you like my technical analysis, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Alrighty guys, so we are at the end of our video covering Tonix in depth, guys. So if you want to see a lot more stock price predictions, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like down below. I would really appreciate that. And I believe that Tonix really has a good momentum going on. They are currently trading at $1.80. If you wait a little bit for the price to come lower, close to the 50 moving average line, you could be getting a better value, guys. So like I mentioned, I'm not a financial advisor. I do all this stuff for entertainment purposes only. So keep that in mind. Do your own due diligence. These are penny stock, guys. At the end of the day, they could be high risk but high reward. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I will see you next time. Peace out.